So I'm coming into the game a little late with this camera, but tell me what you're doing.
Remember a while ago when we were cruising, I had a bunch of fuel leaks around the original fuel filter, and I put on a clear line with zip ties?
Okay. Yes?
Okay. So I'm just fixing this now.
Here we are at
Alright, so
6:45.
it is this fitting right here. It won't tighten. It's foo-bar. There's nothing there. No threads. Zippo. Zippo, zero, zilch.
And you just took off that little hose thing there that's on the floor.
Okay, so this is the secondary filter. The primary filter is over there, and then it comes here through the fuel pump, which had a leak, and then through the secondary filter, and then to the fuel pump. And obviously all of our problems are right here. The secondary fuel pump housing. I had to figure out a different type of filter, so I picked up a aftermarket filter, and now I'm trying to get it into place where it's going to be happy and not kink or anything else. And so far it's proven to be a bit of a pain in the rear end, but yeah, that's what I'm up to. So I'm getting there. It's quite ugly, but as long as it works, it doesn't have to be pretty. Problem is, the old filter system, I can't replace it. It's unavailable. So, gotta create something from scratch. Yep, yep. Alright, so there's my rig. Now, so I have a big air pocket there. This is the only good connection in this whole fuel system is right here. It's gonna be loud. The what?
We're on a whole new project, right?
Well, still
Still part of the generator?
fuel filter,
Generator,
service.
fuel filter. Which is that right there?
Yes. Okay.
And what did you
So,
say about the filters that you just
when
had
we got
in
the
hand?
boat, on board the boat came 10 micron filters and 2 micron filters. And the last time I serviced the generator, it had a 10 micron in it. And I wanted to know if a 2 micron was going to be too restrictive. So we've been running the 2 micron and it's been working fine. But I am going to save this 2 micron for the next service, and I'm going to put in this 10 micron to replace that. Another little pull tab. Okay. twist. And it's dirty.
It started out white like this one.
Anything were to come off this filter and head into the fuel system, it would mess up the generator running. We don't want that. Okay, and that comes with...
Out with the old and with the new.
That's right.
What's in there?
Diesel. For changing filters. That's all it's for.
Am I crowding you? Would you let me back up?
I'm okay in crowded spaces, believe it or not.
Okay.
Could have a cleaner workspace, but... Okay. Okay. That should be enough. So yeah, you're trying to keep all the air out of the fuel system. All right, with any luck at all, it'll start again and run for a little while.
Okay, here comes the loud noise then. Checking your dipstick? Okay.
Run the engine, which fills the oil filter. The engine did a little stutter stop because it sensed that there wasn't any oil pressure there for a split second, and then it continued to run. So that's good. At least now I know that the sensor works. So that's done. Done. 333.
That's big. Big writing. So whatever hours is on that counter is there.
This is the old fuel filter bracket. I used to take a rectangular filter, but look, you can see how the threads are just stripped. They're pretty much stripped there too. Just a real bad design. So we had a diesel leak in here, and the engine has a little bit of an oil leak, so it just, that pad soaked it all up for the most part.
Did that pad start out white like the ones to your left?
Started out just like those.
Oh my gosh.
And then it gets saturated.
It's bad. Thankfully.
At least I'm trapping it.
Yes, thankfully.
I'm not pumping it overboard, because that would be illegal.
Well, we're not illegal. We follow everything by the book.
By the book. To the letter. Ta-da. Like it's meant to be there or something. Okay. One less thing to do. Right? We're almost ready for summer. I still have to do the services on the main engines. And we'll have to replace the zincs once the water warms up and I can go swimming. There you have it. We can call that a success.
Okay.